blood clot this?
Japan, you just stab me.
Stop me then, I'm telling him I'm cool off then.
Oh, you go fire, go away.
Me a cool him off. So you pop me thing.
Oh, yeah.
You bite back, you know.
Where you be for Japan?
Come in and want to say ox around you. And you say pregnant, please. Say who is pregnant.
Wait, move.
Oh, me the pregnant fear you deal with myself.
Can you take him out there like for the king? That me say so.
Oh, yeah, deal with myself. Oh, you're taking up on my barn. Why you trying to put it on my head?
Stab me now. Stab me
You
now.
trying to put it on my head?
Stab me, me gas.
No, what you trying to do to me? Put on my gas.
My money, buy it. Ask the money, buy
You
it.
just fuck me, put on my gas. Fuck lad. Who just pay me?
When I get 10,000 and I give money out there.
We have
What do you have? You give me back 1,000. With the law, I'm done the life.
Japan.
I'm done, Ruth, I'm done. I'm finished with you now.
You just fuck me,
I'm
put on my gas.
done.
Put on my
I'm
gas.
done.
Put on my
I'm
gas.
done, Ruth, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Let me go, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I can't take shame, I'm done.
You just fuck me.
I'm done.
Look what you do me.
I'm done.
You just fuck me.
I'm telling you something, I'm done.
Oh, you have to come
I'm
again.
my money, buy it. Let me go. Savannah,
You just bust
we
my
don't want to
hand.
cut you again, what you
You
done.
just bust my hand, you would. Put on my gas. Watch out.
Hey!
Watch.
Hey! Hey!
Stop your boat.
Hey!
Go around with me, yeah?
Hey!
Watch there.
Hey!
Watch there. Watch
Hey.
there. You what?
What? Hey, oh, what's your carrying on? What's your blood clot carrying on? Watch Betsy, you know. Boss him up, Rudy. Boss him up, Rudy. Boss him up, Rudy. Boss him up. Boss him up, Rudy. Boss him up, Rudy. Boss him up, Rudy. Ah, what's the car up, Rudy, you know? Boss up your blood clot, Rudy.
My girl, move
Boss
now.
him. Watch it there, watch it there. Watch it there. Watch it there. Move there. Oh. Right, boss up. Right, make him roll left upon Rudy. Make him roll left it blood clot. Make him roll left it Rudy. Rudy.
Bust me up.
Rudy, make him bust up him. I mean, Rudy, bust up him blood clot down at that Rudy. Rudy, make him cut left upon Rudy. Run him down, Rudy. Run down him blood clot, Rudy. Rudy. Down there, Rudy. Ah.
St. Mary update. This is one more of Dr. Dunn victims. Weeneen Road and Waterdun.
Nothing at all. Be promises. I went up by NP yesterday afternoon and I saw him with a backhoe looking about a bridge.
Where, sir?
Mr. Dunn.
Yeah.
I stopped and I talked to him about my problem. Right? He said, well, wait there a little. He went inside the van back. And he
Inside his van back, Dunn
yeah,
van back.
Yeah, the white Prado.
Yeah.
Give me 2 chisel and Alaska
Two
soap.
what?
2 chisel.
2 toilet paper.
Yeah, and Alaska soap.
Yeah.
And 2 buckle Listerine. Maybe
2 buckle Listerine?
Yeah, maybe because I know teeth no made. And you
Yeah.
can't brush. Maybe that's why he give me that. I want to look white something like one sheet, now one plastic something. Look, in my house right now, I'm just carrying and put it. That can't help me. Because if my house are wet, that can't take off
So
water.
the house
from
that
me.
blew off during the hurricane.
Yes, I'm going to put on back the zinc now with the
And
burn
do
up.
you notify Dr.
Right?
Dunn?
Then even
Say, Mama, buy your gas to phone the problem. Buy your gas, the gas on the bottle $3,600. When me give me 10 gas, he come back and tell me, say, the gas money, she done it. I say, oh, you eat after $10,000. She and Case a plan up and rob up the money. So I say, all right then, like how the money done, then I go back and see her dive, $10,000 more. When I buy see her dive, $10,000, I buy the gas now. When we put cook now, she said, Jobs, I go give you a backers now, make you go back around. But you she abandon the hear me now, no? And who I go cook the food? So me still say, give her a backers now, I'm going to give her a vice up in the ceiling. That's the way you give her instead man them backers, them never get them backers and them want to cook.
So, oh, if you press ceiling,
I'm
reaching the house.
in a pay house when my bill gear and pop out the ceiling and I pay.
My live off of
Jack me I tell you, I'm
you.
telling him in a dep on them batty man thing they like him want me for blood clot, fuck him and fuck feet. But me no dep on them.
You live off of your
All the
job.
time I want him, I say big man if you leave me and her alone. I mean if you want so
Yeah,
the fuck
yeah,
you do to me. I think my game I gotta see go buy $10,000 more.
So you really got a woman with you?
Don't amaze me I go.
Oh, you go okay.
All that me for tell you to off the sky, see moon there.
Yeah.
I make something to the man and make police come.
The brighty, I want to kill him.
Yeah.
I want to kill him.
No,
Said like when we back up in the night. I said, Ruth, him could do it, Ruth, stop him. You never see man go and say it over.
She get stabbed.
He get stabbed, you know, I'm just show you all the thing when my eye up with all powerful guy with the show, so I'm gonna get it and she end up get stabbed.
Yeah, when she
Come
stabbed
just sister, I'm just say, look, your sister God not sleep. You feel like God asleep. Eh?
Funny.
Oh yeah,
Eye up, my boy.
I'm just a walk, I say, you're not my fault.
A good eye up.
Everything, when me do for
Come
you.
here, help me done.
So what am I tell you? So me ready back again?
So you ready now, you say?
Me ready? Me done! Me finished! Can't talk about me, no want to you.
Where you go?
Over, it's finished. It's over, it's finished. Hey, making the money Rutan, all about Rutan.
Yeah, hold on, see Japan at it.
Yeah, do the right thing, yeah, man. Cause I want to try. Yeah, let me try spin out the damn, yeah, man.
You want to take out your Japan?
Yeah, so me can
Fuck up.
rock no man, rock no for money.
Money share deal.
Money, man.
Cause give me the share tree up here, you know.
She come threaten and she come find the money them from the government and me.
And take up everything.
I grab up everything and good thing, I put up me and dumb them.
All I ram all that dance side.
I you should not worth it person, man. Woman not worth it, man. Woman dinner and that.
John, no.
Me and her, for years, me I go through this and that. She like to give up. She want somebody to give up. You don't want to.
No, let you walk a left far.
Yeah, me I run from.
And she run it down.
And she run me downstairs here, cause
What, Mr. Wellness? You tell the me general, you can't tell the whole mouth because you can't, everybody talk you want to send for them. Send for me, I don't give a blood clot right now. See, mother love, you're not afraid mother love. You're not afraid mother love. True mother love now say JLP, you pussy wall. Freedom of speech, bumbo, you feel like you want to live on a dictatorship. Eh? You feel like you want to live on nobody a dictator way. Bumbo, you're not no sense, you're dunce. I mean, you're dunce. You come forth for you see, you mix up your general, your own scammer. Or if you come forth for you. You see me, I say, you feel like you're no third terminal this, bumbo hole. Take it on the last look at green out this, so. If it's a shop, I'm some bunny done. I'm some bunny done because of you. No vote for you, you can't get a third terminal, it's still a load. Bumbo hole, Wi-Fi chip out, then cut off the Wi-Fi jungle. Oh, send for money, you're done. Me there Manchester. Man, send for me. Come in a response to you, send for me. And me make a whole day video tell you today say you're a criminal. You want to come, over 3 days before election, you want to come double up. Minimum wage. From 16,000 to 32,000. No people now know what you know. Our cost of living gone higher. 2,000 you pay for one bread now. And you want to sit down with you. Anything you want. Say the police them for me, they know about me, the man go fuck off and go. Pussy wall. Freedom of speech. Me not say on their mother go fuck dog, bumbo hole, no vote.
One queen, Nikisha, won her seat and left Davis for dead.
Oma, you this Oma. You that Oma. Suck your mother, Oma. Jog him pussy 3 square. Let everybody see. Jog him 3 square.
Me what deal? So when bite me up your night, and me have got to pain and agony, you know, so I'm here tell you.
No, man, no, rat bite that, man.
Me say, if I no sleep with them, I have some throat cut. Let me tell the world. If I no sleep with them, a finger, and my hand and my neck, my throat cut like dog.
But, let me see back in the yard.
See there, and rat bite around it, brother, and cut
No,
the
sir.
skin end down. Oh, Lord, God.
So you know, sir. So you saw the rat bite it?
Eh?
You saw the rat bite it?
My youth, when them a bite you, you can't feel it.
Yeah, them will blow up on you, them blow up on you and dead your flesh.
Blow up on your body, you know, bite them a bite you after, you know, because them cramp you.
But if I did so, them bite, I will hold it down there still.
Well, me don't know.
And I rat that, man. I go to machete cut you when you walk, man.
Man, the machete no cut some man. See where you have teeth, there is a bite, I go down on my finger. Look at me, your finger go. Right now, a hole in my finger, you think I antibiotic and you up.
But if rat bite you, have you got a doctor, you know?
Why, if I figure out now for a kill me then, no? When me not go, no doctor, no, I'm going to show you world, so me not figure a doctor, no?
What make?
But, yo, actually, a boy wouldn't know them said from man. But me I go show you world, so.
Rat bite dangerous in a line.
Yeah, me say it a burn me right now like pepper. But the antibiotic cream I heal you up back, man.
Rat bite dangerous, man. A dangerous sitting.
How you put on it for you? Even one bandage. The one bandage no man cover, you know.
I go look. I
Yeah,
look
man,
set
you
the
go
game.
bandage.
But you have to go a doctor, man. Me I can't go a doctor.
Where? I use your day, man. Keep on here, man. It's good, man.
You have to get antibiotic, man, when you not bite you.
Let me get some and me put on him, man.
No,
Let
it
me-
pill them you have to get an injection.
Shotgun. If you buy to one down that big gun, kick out the door and take it out. If you scar you out, man, wash you out. Roots and know everything, clean your back and get you back in ready. I will have 100 million blood clot US. How money make them more run? How man make man rich? Them sing about love of man and them rich. Poor crime. Now fuck with me head, you know?
I'm Jerry.
Yes.
I feel like Anish.
You want to fuck?
Yeah.
Get a taxi and come fuck me. Yeah, man, I still want to fuck. Husband, you gonna have 1,000 for the year. Get a taxi and come fuck me.
I want Jerry on me on again.
Oh, you don't want him here? Oh, she don't want
No.
him here.
Because I say, go plant a garden.
No,
I'm with that.
because her boyfriend didn't know that boy that want me show you.
Me no friend no my blood clot when you start get bad. You want me key up? My friend no a front. And money my want. Woman I
But
make
the
man
man
rich.
go there, cannot go
No,
there.
because them never meet him. They want to win.
Oh, if you meet him yet?
I don't mind me. Me never fuck her yet. That's what mate. That girl is a mad girl. That girl is a mad girl. And I'm a mate. And me and I never fuck it. Or for me she be me mate.
The two lie, Rosalie come here one night and rain a fall.
And that girl is an illusion. Or some fiction. I see if you can. Me not fuck you yet.
Yet?
Yet.
Yet?
But me I think we fuck you.
Yet?
I be good.
What?
I up and pop. Me go wide near.
Excuse me?
Yeah man.
Oh,
The man them will fuck you.
excuse?
The audience say,
Pardon?
I be good if you're endorsing.
What you talk about?
Be good, Papa Cocky.
Oh,
The audience, your fans,
your fans.
your fans,
Oh, your fans.
your fans, your fans.
Be good for who?
Yo,
Oh, you.
yo. Why? The fans them say, for wine the better.
Excuse?
Your fans them say, I'm here for fuck.
Who?
Your fans. You know the fans. Them take me out there.
Hello.
No tell them. No tell me.
So what you bring it
Them
to
take me
for?
out there. Me I
You
tell
know, say you smell the crutches from what there? You smell the
No,
crutches?
you take fans. Fans.
You smell the
1
crutches?
million man want fuck you, belly. Them give me a million euros. A million man
Me no want
to
a
fuck
man.
you.
I don't want any.
No, them fuck them. I'm shotgun. They do me.
Me not. You can't pimp
There's
me
a
out.
pimp.
You cannot pimp me
I'm
out.
a shotgun. I have ball too much and a big gun.
Excuse?
Yeah, man.
Molly?
Yeah.
Balling
Me
what?
a pimp, you know. I'm a shotgun.
You can't pimp me out.
What do you mean? I get $1 million. They want to fuck you.
Excuse?
1 million. Excuse what? $1 million man want to fuck you. Each of them want to give me $1 million US. They're going to get rich. One
Why,
fuck can't kill.
What you mean one? Man, the day can't go down.
But me respond. I got to say, man. Fuck her. You just want to say in the year, you want to cock it big good. Big good as come. You want
She's
to cock it.
pregnant now.
You're pregnant already? So quick. You're
Yeah.
cheap. You're pregnant. You're breathing. You
Yeah.
have 2 daughters. A son in your belly, in your home. I want son in there.
Yeah.
You have to that. Oh, you breathe so quick and get ultrasound. Now fuck with the head. You know. Oh, you know son.
The boy agreed me.
Yeah, but you don't know son. You have to know that son. I'm
Boy
a
pick me more.
Yeah, I want boy too. The boy that we are going to war. War is business. We want that boy can only can go war.
So you're going to be the stepfather?
Yeah, man, I'm going to be everything, man. If I never give you away to him when I get married, I get married.
Are you going to son to our father?
Yeah, father. Father, you know, I never give you away when the married time comes. Remember me up on the wedding. So, a boy in your home. A boy in your home. And he belongs to the States. I'm going to war. I'm shot a man worldwide, everywhere. I lose man. I want a twin boy in there.
So when you go down there, you still have a big belly.
Yeah, man, I've been a big long time. You're not going to know say short breed. I just me and you know say short breed. The public know say short breed.
No, them not.
Yeah, you got big. I tell you something, I take the whole over the world. Before the love I'm fucking breed. Because I'm shot a man worldwide. And the man then belongs to war is business, war is business, part is business. So you sit down on big pussy. Somebody own all about the place.
How you call that?
One of them. Not Jamaica all but me I lose, man. Me I lose, man, that gas.
Alright, talk to us.
Oh, Rosalie?
So she go on a date, so she a pedicure and do she a
They're
do.
fine.
And you and I never go on a date yet.
I mean, I'm going to have a lady friend.
All of a sudden, so?
Which all of a sudden, because last she give me 25,000.
Jerry,
I mean, I know she come give me 5,000.
Jerry,
Hey, yo, this woman. So I have 5,000 already.
you have to adjust her now as Akeem wifey.
You're fine, don't worry about that.
So
This
say-
woman,
no, I say-
leave me alone,
I
Nana.
say because Akeem wifey.
This woman.
Akeem wifey.
Now, wait, tell me now. This woman.
Akeem wifey.
Leave me, man, me know I know me. This woman.
Akeem wifey.
I let you put my bumper on, case. I let
I eat this right to say Akeem wifey. She name.
Oh, fine, wonderful.
Call her so.
She named this woman.
No.
No,
Akeem wifey.
Fine, Akeem wifey. Yeah.
Okay.
How 5,000 you give me?
That's the money you got.
Yeah, me up, me love your money. Alright. So what time you come for Saturday?
She call you.
Call me, me have your number, but me not have. You have my number?
She have a number. She
Fine.
Call me.
Yeah. I mean, walk come for that and go buy me blood class Saturday night.
No, you can't complete.
And nobody got woman here early.
Him come and come below.
What time?
Come when they come as daylight, like the way they were the last time. I walk in the place like I live there.
Yeah, I mean, being see you, they're my kind man, they see you with you, man. I'm a place.
We don't walk to the people place like don't walk to people place like I live in there.
Never seen that. Do you remember what I see you?
We said that Jerry walk to the house like he live in there. We don't look funny, man.
Hey, yo! Never what I see you, you know. You never what I see you. Never what I see you. Let me tell you. I'm a minute.